Hi, it's Sabrina. Join me with a lineup of incredible experts as we inspire you.
It's you transcending
to redesign your life. I love this, one small change at a time. This is the Sabrina Soto Show. Come on in. Catherine!
Hello!
Catherine, welcome to my house. I'm so excited you're here.
Well, first of all, thank you for inviting me over because we're going to do a little meal prepping and it's going to be fun.
I wanted you to come by because as the founder of Weelicious, you've dedicated your career to help parents learn the importance of meal prepping, food storage, and showing that kids can eat wholesome and delicious food. This whole episode's about redesigning life. And this is about redesigning my week because this is going to save me so much time.
As a working parent, you have 3 kids. I do have 3 kids. I do. So I'm all about meal prep because it's the only way that I can keep my sanity. I do a lot of meal prep on Sundays. I go to the farmer's market. I buy all of my fresh berries. And here's a hot tip. You want to take those berries from the container, put them in a glass-lined container with a little paper towel, dump in your berries, and it's going to grab all that moisture. So it's going to last you sometimes up to 2 weeks.
Really?
If the berries are fresh. Yeah.
Preserving the food, I think, is what my problem is because I'll do the whole Sunday groceries.
Yes.
I'll get a bunch of vegetables and fruit. And then by the middle of the week, everything seems to be like gross.
And it bums you out.
Because it's such a waste of money.
Yes.
And so what I do is I go to the grocery store almost every day.
Yep.
And it's exhausting.
Any kind of hacks at the grocery where you're finding pre-chopped up foods that you absolutely love, they're not going to last as long. But if you know that you're going to use them within a few days, absolutely do what works for you.
This is what I think my problem is. Because I get the pre-chopped food and then it doesn't last. So that's, if I get the full kale, it will last longer.
It'll last longer, especially something hearty like a kale. That's going to last you for, 2 weeks.
What?
It's this kind of like delicate lettuces that might not last as long, but
like a butter lettuce.
If you put them with a paper towel in a bag, it's going to stretch their life because that moisture that would be making them soggy, that moisture goes into the paper towel. I want to actually show you how to safely open an avocado. You put your knife in the top, and then instead of moving your knife, move the avocado so it just stays nice and safe. And then, ta-da, the perfect avocado.
Okay, how do you get the pit out?
You ready? And gently.
There you go, gently.
In our beautiful bowl here, if you'll just scoop the avocado out.
Does it have to be pretty?
No, we want it to be this is one of my favorite recipes because especially if you have kids, get them involved. One of the most important ingredients to this is lemon juice because it acts as a natural tenderizer to the kale and it's going to keep the avocado nice and bright so that it can stay fresh.
And it doesn't browse.
Exactly.
But then I was told that if a salad is dressed, then it doesn't even stay for a day. But in this case, it does.
It almost makes it better because that kale is so hearty that the lemon juice just kind of makes it nice and soft. When you have a lemon, make sure that you get as much juice out as possible. So take the palm of your hand and roll it. It becomes almost like doughy. And then watch this. Just cut it in half. And just use your hand as, this is my natural strainer.
Oh, well, I have one for you.
You're so when you finish that, like a little bit of olive oil, because it makes almost like the lemon juice and the olive oil makes a natural dressing here.
I love it. Yes. Catherine, how did you get started on Weelicious?
Oh, let's see. I went to culinary school and I graduated and, realized I could make a 3-4 star meal and I had no idea how to feed my new baby. So I started Weelicious really as just a resource for parents to be able to make foods together in an engaging way and make cooking like a fresh and healthy and fun experience. Look at this. This is
wow.
If you say to your kid,
Olivia would love to do that.
Take out all your stress and anxiety and anger out on the kale. That's what's going to soften it. Can you put in some salt? Salt is your friend in this because it's going to also just give a lot of flavor, tenderize it. Pine nuts and hemp seeds. So the pine nuts, yes, please. Pine nuts are just really soft. Yeah, give a nice pop.
So good.
So we now have vegetable, we have a fat, we have protein, and then give some hemp seeds.
I have never had hemp seeds.
What?
Ever.
Really?
No, what does it taste like?
It tastes like deliciousness. I love it. It's a seed, so they're also good for schools.
That is really good.
They're really good. The greatest thing about hemp seeds, they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, great for your brain and especially for young kids, growing brains.
It almost tasted like a little bit cheesy.
Yeah.
And I don't eat cheese. Yeah, it's delicious.
Oh, I appreciate that. Okay, we have to taste this.
I'm in. Here you go.
I know. Never have to twist my arm to have something good for me. That's so delicious too. Right?
Really good.
The flavors just get better and better as it like softens.
The pine nuts are key. It gives it like a
And
you know?
said it sort of tastes like that cheese.
Yeah.
Right, the hemp seed.
I'm going to eat that all week.
And talk about easy, we're going to turn this into another meal.
So good. Okay.
Okay, let's do it. So,
Second meal.
all right, you get that board out because I've already
Got it.
a little bit. We're going to turn our kale and avocado salad into a sandwich for you and your daughter tomorrow.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, I've got these containers. I love reusable containers, less waste.
Little bento box.
Little bento box, super organized. And how cool is this for you? I brought you this salad container. So you can put the salad in there, you can put a little sandwich, your dressing, and it's just, it's great for like putting in your bag on the way to work. Just
I
like,
have never seen this before.
cute. All right, so we're gonna start with your daughter.
Okay.
She's gonna get a sandwich. I'm gonna put the spread over here. And literally all we're doing is just piling it on here. If we wanted, we could put a little bit of hummus, which
Yes, I do.
Hummus is really packed with protein also.
Just put it on?
Yeah, just
We're
put it
done.
right on. We're
done. Okay.
I swear, see how simple it is? And you can make homemade hummus. You can,
Cut that sucker. I feel like I need to taste test it.
well, this is why. We'll just cut, we'll just cut our
I'll
little
do
ends off.
this. Cut more off because I need to eat it.
That's the right answer.
This is really good. I swear I'm not just saying that because you're standing next to me. I promise.
Okay, so you can make vegetarian sandwiches really interesting. And look at that, like beautiful inside as it is outside.
Is it weird that I'm not going to give that to her for lunch? I'm just going to eat it right now. I'll make her another one.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I've got a little treat. I've got one more compartment here, but it's something that is high in protein and also tastes like dessert.
Oh, I'm in.
Talk about delicious. We're making cookie dough balls. I want you to do the work because I want you to know how easy
Okay,
it is.
I love this.
Here we go. Okay, oats, right in.
Okay.
5-minute oats, old-fashioned oats. It can be cooking oats, dried coconut.
Okay.
Comfort, flavor. We're gonna add in flax seeds.
Okay.
Ground flaxseed meal. If you only had regular flax seeds, fine, but the meal is just so much easier. Hemp seeds or chia seeds.
Why don't we do both?
I love the energy. This is peanut butter because I am a 5-year-old and I always just want peanut butter. But you could do sun butter if you have a nut-free school.
Got it.
So very important. Get all that if you can. Maybe we have a little spatula while you're getting all that out. And then I've got honey here. You could also use agave nectar if you want. Agave has a neutral flavor, but just like pour it in. I say I'm a 5-year-old. You and I would be like just 2 kids. I love it. And then go ahead and put the chocolate chips.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, please. And you could also do dairy-free chocolate chips if you want. A little bit of vanilla, please. And then we're just putting the top on the food processor and we're gonna blend it up.
That's it.
That's it. No bake, because we don't have time.
No, I don't. I want to eat this now.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so it's all ground up.
Okay.
How easy? No bake, right?
I mean, yeah, but I haven't even tried one yet.
Oh, well, yeah, exactly. It looks easy. All right, and then you just want to pinch it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's good?
Okay, I'm going to hand you.
So I put sprinkles in here?
Yes. Okay, this is the fun part. I love, again, the 5-year-old mood. Like, look at this. She picks like the brightest.
Because I love a rainbow.
Me too. I love that. Okay, we have that in common.
Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
So fun, right?
These look like the cake balls you buy.
Yes, and you can also freeze these. They are delicious in the freezer, and if you freeze them, they're going to last 3 to 4 months. So really, really easy.
These are not going to last that long.
Between your hands. Oh my god! Oh my god! We're supposed to be making them for your daughter's lunch, Sabrina. Okay, so
Catherine,
so good, right?
these are really good.
I'm so happy you're happy. And look at those. Okay, last hot tip. This is something you and I were discussing earlier.
I have to make these.
And this is meal prep. So you showed me these.
Yes.
Please.
They are amazing. They are dissolving. So you put a label, right?
Yep.
On anything. I'm just gonna, test so you see.
Great.
Okay? Whatever was in there, you don't want it in there anymore. Look at underneath. Put it water and it dissolves.
Right off.
No, the whole thing dissolves.
I mean, I'm sorry, game changer.
Right? Gone. It's a water dissolving label.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
But I use it on water bottles. I use it on like Olivia's school supplies, everything.
And there you go. So you just put it right in the refrigerator, just like that. You can date it. You can write what it is, so no one can say, hey, what is that? What is it? So roast vegetables, broccoli, chicken, rice. Just have foods that are meal prep friendly that you can kind of mix and match and obviously eat every last bite.
Catherine, is it too soon in our relationship to tell you I love you? I love you.
We're going to live a happy life together.
I know. Thank you so much.
Adore you.
I just redesigned my week.
Woo, that makes me happy.
And it's just delicious.